palm at the heart center. Inhale, raise the arm above the head. Exhale, bring the arms down, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bring your right leg to the back, drop the knee. Inhale, lift up your arms above the head, low lunge pose. Exhale, bring down the arms, lift up your knee and bring your left leg to the back, plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knee, chest chin down. Exhale. Inhale, roll the spine and up, cobra pose. Exhale, bring the hip to the back and lift up the knee, downward dog. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift up your right leg up, one-legged dog. Inhale, exhale, bring your right leg to the front. Drop the knee, left knee, drop the left knee. Inhale, raise up the arm above the head. Exhale, bring the arms down on the mat. Lift up the left knee and bring the leg to the front. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, raise the arm above the head. Exhale, bring the palm to the heart center. Now I'm going to do the left side. Inhale, raise the arm above the head. Exhale, bring your arms down. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bring your left leg to the back. Inhale, raise up the arm, low lunge. Exhale, bring down the arm, tuck the toe and bring right leg to the back. High plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knee, chest, chin down. Exhale. Inhale, roll the spine up. Cobra, inhale. Exhale, bring the knee and knee to the back and hip up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise up the left leg. Inhale. Bring the left leg to the front. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale, raise up the arm above the head. Exhale, bring down the arms. Tuck the toe and bring the right leg to the front. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, deepen the forward fold. Inhale, raise up the arm above the head. Exhale, slowly bring the palm to the heart center. Feel the changes in your body.
Subscribe to the channel for more content like this.